Kichler LED lighting systems are designed with great care to bring you a product that is not only versatile and beautiful, but also simple for professionals to install. Before installation, there are 3 important things to consider. First, be sure to comply with electrical codes and read all instructions thoroughly. If any doubts exist concerning installation, contact Kichler's Advanced Product Solutions team. Second, plan your layout design based on the power supply location, maximum linear run length, and wattage calculations based on which tape light type you're installing. Third, prep your location by cleaning all mounted surfaces. Now, you're ready to install. After selecting the model and location of your power supply, run the supply lead wire from the installed power supply location to the beginning of the tape light run, but do not connect it to the power supply yet. Measure your first length, leaving a minimum space of 1 inch at each end for connections. If necessary, cut with sharp scissors or snips on the marked locations, cutting on dotted lines only in order to ensure proper connection. Completely remove a 1/4 inch of the adhesive backing strip from either end of the tape light, which will be inserted into a connector. Check polarity symbols are in alignment before inserting into the connector of the supply wire. Start at the front end of the terminal block. While keeping the tape flat, gently push it forward until it's inserted fully. Make sure to check that the tape polarity aligns to that of your wire. Next, tighten the screws, ensuring each screw is in contact with each respective copper pad on the tape light. Remove the 3M adhesive backing from the tape light and install in your desired location, pressing only on the spaces between the LEDs and other components. Install any additional sections of tape light and connectors in the same way. Once finished, ensure all polarity connections are correct and connect the power supply lead to the power supply and turn on your newly installed tape light. Kichler products and support are with you every step of the way, so you can deliver a beautiful and functional end effect every time.